Please subscribe us. If you don't subscribe us, go to our channel and hit the red button of subscribe. Now today's topic is how to remove background voice from any video. As you can see in presentation, there is two software required, Audacity and Format Factory. Link can be given in the description of both softwares. Now let's take a screenshot of this and follow my steps. First of all, I have a voice, I have a video.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Technology.
As you can see here, in it there is so many voice disturbance. First of all, you need to open Format Factory. Click on its audio. Convert this video into audio file. Add file. Take unwanted voice. Open and click OK. Click on it, then click start. As you can see, it will be completed. Go to open folder. Take it from here. Put it on desktop. As you can see here.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Technology.
This video converted into this file, its audio file. Then open this file into Audacity folder, Audacity software. You need to go file, now open, then go to desktop and location where it is file and select this file and open this. As you can see, there is so many variations. Select this all first of all here.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Technology.
It's my voice variation and it's unwanted voice. Select it from here. All. Go to effect. Click noise reduction. Get noise profile. Now this noise profile is with catch. Now click select all. Go to effect. Now go to noise reduction. No need to select get noise profile. This time only click OK. As you can see, variation is removed. Now let's play this audio.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Technology.
Now it's have some variations. Again select, go to effect, noise reduction, get noise profile, then select all, go to effect, noise reduction, then click OK. As you can see, now it's totally removed. Let's hear this audio. There is no
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Technology.
There is no any noise. Then now export in audio. New file. It's clear. It's export in wave format. Click save. Then you need to click OK. Now as you can see, there is also a file, clear voice. Delete this file and again go to Format Factory software. Double click on it. Now we merge this video and this audio files. Go to advanced option, go to Mux. Mux is a type which combine both audio and video in one format. Open video. Here is video, unwanted voice, and here is audio. clear voice. Click OK. Now in video, it's much important part. Click option. Then here
Hello
you
friends,
need to
welcome
select
to Easy Mode Technology.
mute option.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Mode Technology. Hello friends, welcome to Easy Mode Technology.
Select mute. Then click OK. As you can see, it's video only now because its audio is mute, and its audio it's 0.5, 0.05, and it's also 0.05. Click OK. Click on it, then click start. As you can see, task complete. Open this folder and its mux file. Cut from here, copy it here, and here this.
Hello friends, welcome to Easy Mode Technology.
As you can see, noise will be removed. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Please subscribe us, like us, and share our video. Thanks for watching this, friends.